Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy oven baked salmon recipe. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start by marinating our salmon. I have a whole salmon fillet here. I already washed it up and pat dry. I'll be using some tomato sauce. I have some Old Bay seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, Italian herbs, paprika, seasoned salt, and black pepper. So what I did was add all the seasonings to my tomato sauce, and I went ahead and just spread it all over top of my salmon. Once I was done, I allowed it to marinate for about 30 minutes, and then I placed it into a 425 oven for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what the salmon is looking like. It smells and looks amazing. I did pair it with some stir-fried vegetables and I enjoy this, guys. The tomato sauce paired really well with the salmon, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.